Hi guys, it's Jen from Glow Recipe, and today I'm going to be showing you my spring routine for dry skin. As we transition into the spring weather, it's really important to transition into lightweight textures with the same effective ingredients for dry skin. So first step, as always, is to cleanse, and I always use my Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It's one of my favorite cleansers for year-round use. It's really lightweight, makes me feel really clean, and it doesn't have any stripping properties and is really hydrating with all the hyaluronic acid. My favorite new trick is to spritz a hydrating mist between every skincare step. My go-to is the new Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist because it's so soothing and hydrating. I also love how the fog mist makes it a really relaxing experience. So the next step is my toner, and I love using the Green Tea Serum Toner by Wamisa by Glow Studio. It's really soothing and hydrating, full of antioxidants, and I really love the watery texture but still has a bounce to it. It's a great serum to do 7 Skin with. 7 Skin is really great for layering lightweight hydration, so it's really great for dry skin like mine. I always want to make sure my skin is bright and luminous, so I'm always reaching for a vitamin C serum. My serum of choice is the Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Serum Shot. Again, I always make sure to mist between every skincare step. In the springtime, I love to lock in all that moisture with a very lightweight gel moisturizer. I love using the July Super 7 Moisture Hydrating Gel because it's super lightweight but packed with antioxidants and probiotics which actually help you repair the skin barrier. I also love how hygienic the pump applicator is. And I finish everything off with another spritz. At nighttime, I always want to make sure that I'm hydrated and plump, so I love finishing off with the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which also helps me get rid of my dry flakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about transitioning your skincare into the spring, leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.